Okay, so we're going to draw butane. If it's not already selected, what you need to do is you need to go over here and you need to select carbon, but normally carbon's already selected, so I'm clicking on carbon. And then I can go onto the screen anywhere and draw a molecule. Oh, I forgot to point out, at the very beginning when you do this, make sure you come up here and click for a new document, otherwise you can't draw anything. Okay, so click new document up there. You guys got a new document? Getting there? Okay, all right. And then you can just start poking the screen with the mouse. So I'm going to do there. Or I'm going to try to do there. And then when you want to draw another carbon, all you do is you find a bond and you click on it with the mouse. Okay, it's really nice doing it on the iPad because I can just click on it and click and click. Now, to make sure you have butane, because it is possible to get other things, it'll say down here that it's N-butane, it's the straight chain butane. Okay? If it's not butane, you might have isobutane or whatever. So that's how you draw the molecule. And again, if you want to blow one up and you make a mistake, you want to delete it, use this button up here. And if you want to break a bond, you use this one here. And if you want to connect two atoms with a bond, you'll use this button here. So those are the buttons. The one that has like the star, this is like the you know, you're the playing God and destroying matter. It gets rid of atoms. So if I actually come up to, oops, if I actually do this, okay, then what I can do is poke at the molecule and break bonds, break atoms. Actually, just get rid of atoms. You can also, if you want to just break a bond, you can click that. Well, that's to make a bond. Sorry, click that one, and you could break a bond. That doesn't look broken, but actually, you'll see how it's slightly different shades now. It's actually two separate structures on the same page. So if I actually go to minimize this,
I can't see the thing on the bottom.
oh, double click at the top and it'll make it full screen. Okay, so hang on. So let's see. Yeah, so if I minimize it now, see, it's actually two different things. What's kind of cool is it uses the van der Waals interactions to show how the molecules will line up on the screen. But we don't need to do that for now. If you want to play with that later, that's great. I'm going to destroy that guy and then continue to draw butane. And to minimize, to get the lowest energy, the most relaxed state, you need to hit this E button. Okay. So I'm going to hit the E button. And you'll see a little progress bar, and you'll know it's done when this energy that's down at the bottom of the screen, the energy that's right there, stops changing. Okay.
So what would we do to make sure this wasn't just the local and
So what we're going to do is we're going to start at, you could start at that angle, which is 180, and you're going to go through all the different angles they tell you to go through in here. I think it's at 45-degree increments or something like that. So go ahead and look in there. I don't remember the exact ones. I just remember which ones are important.
but this one's at 180.
This is 180, and that's because if you look at this molecule, like from end on, the plane that defines these 3 points here, this one, and this one, and the plane that defines versus this one, and this one, those are at 180 degrees to each other. They're in perfect line with each other. Okay? Dihedral angle of 0 would mean they overlap with each other. Okay, so we want to constrain